Ever wonder what the future feels like? Well, today might be your lucky day as we dive into the unboxing of 10 exciting gadgets that could make your life a little more futuristic. Plus, stay with us till the end for a thrilling mystery mix reveal. First up, a wireless charging pad with multiple device support. This sleek, modern gadget allows you to power up multiple devices all at once. Imagine a world without tangled cables and missing chargers. That's the convenience this gadget promises, a clean, efficient charging solution. Next, we have the smart LED light bulbs. This isn't just your average light bulb. It's a customizable lighting experience that you can control straight from your smartphone. Mood lighting or party vibes, you decide. Our third gadget is a compact portable Bluetooth speaker. Don't let the size fool you. This pocket-sized powerhouse ensures you never miss a beat, wherever you are. Outdoor adventures or impromptu dance parties, this speaker has got you covered. Following up, we have a multi-tool keychain, the ultimate survival gadget that combines multiple tools into one compact device. From screwdrivers to bottle openers, it's like having a mini toolbox in your pocket. Halfway through, we introduce the wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. Say goodbye to the world and hello to immersive sound, all without the hassle of tangled wires. Plus, the active noise cancellation lets you focus on what matters, your music. Next in line, a smart water bottle with hydration reminder. This gadget is your personal hydration coach, reminding you to drink up and tracking your hydration levels. A smart way to stay healthy. Our seventh gadget is a mini projector with built-in speaker. Small but mighty, this portable projector turns any surface into a movie theater, a cinematic experience right in your bag. Coming up next, a fitness tracker watch with heart rate monitor, a sleek, versatile gadget that lets you track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and stay connected on the go. Next, we have a phone camera lens kit. This kit elevates your smartphone photography game with wide-angle, macro, and fisheye lenses. Every moment, every detail captured in stunning clarity. Our 10th gadget is a USB-C hub with multiple ports. This nifty device expands your laptop's capabilities, allowing you to connect peripherals, charge devices, and transfer data with ease. And there you have it. 10 must-have gadgets that could change the game. But wait, we promised a mystery mix, didn't we? Well, you'll just have to stick around for the reveal. In summary, today we've explored a range of exciting gadgets from multi-device wireless charging pads to mini projectors, all promising to enhance your daily life. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and remember, the future is now.